Welcome back to Kenton and Habiba.
Yay! What day is it today?
It's my birthday.
It's not your birthday.
It's not my birthday? Then why is all this stuff for?
It's our youngest, our little girl's birthday.
Our baby's birthday.
Yeah, she's no longer a baby. Oh my God, she is 18 years old today. We're so excited. I mean, I'm excited, but I'm also sad that we can't get her a big birthday and do something with other people. And hey, Nana, if you're watching this, and California family, and everybody that's watching us, yeah, it's a pity we couldn't be right there with you guys, but we're gonna do our best to give her a little birthday party during the quarantine, during the pandemic, during the stay-at-home order, right?
Love is love, as long as she has love and support.
Right. So, Ken, what did you get for her today? What did you buy? What was on our shopping list?
I bought her bread.
Bread is pretty basic.
And water. Mm-hmm. I want her to be happy with the basic things in life.
Any wishes for Mariam?
Just for her to be happy and safe, and to, you know, live her dream, and she knows she's loved, and you know.
Do you remember us at 18-year-olds? Do you remember us at 18? What were you like at 18?
Goofy as hell, man.
You were goofy?
Goofy.
You were so, I remember you being so like energetic and, well, did I know you at 18?
No,
I think I knew
20.
at 19. No, I knew at 19. Didn't you have your 20th birthday with us?
Oh,
so I knew you at 19. Yeah, you were full of like hope, and you can conquer the world.
Yeah, full of manure, full of bravado.
He was like, he even back then he dressed like an executive. You know those like Michael J. Fox in the show where he's this like young kid but he's dressing older. That was Kenton. He had like the executive watch and the dress pants and the briefcase, and yeah, you were like the businessman at like 18 years old, 19 years old.
Yeah, now I'm in a different. I'm regressed.
No.
Yeah, I'm dressed in.
Everybody's time will come.
Yeah, I'm going backwards. I'm like a kid again.
Yeah, well, that's not such a bad thing, but everybody's time will come. Anyway, so let's get this cooking going. I gotta make a cake. I gotta make mac and cheese and chicken wings and set the table, and yeah. See you later. This is what we're starting with, a pretty blank slate. We're gonna have our little birthday in here. So yeah, just a blank dining room. You can see me in the background. I love May because May, not only was it Mother's Day, day before yesterday, but it is Mariam's birthday, my first baby girl. And graduation season, even though this year it's totally different. Anyway, he got some balloons up there, and we're gonna set this all up. So here's some of the groceries. We got some elbows for the mac and cheese. I asked for Kraft, but he says he didn't see that, so he got the generic mac and cheese packets. Got a lot. My little stash of fruits. We got some plantain. I wanted a kiwi. This is gonna go in the cake, and so is this mango, which I'm gonna slice up. It's also gonna go in the cake. You'll see. I'm gonna try to bring the eggs to room temperature. I'm gonna use about 4 eggs for this cake. It's gonna be a very light, simple kind of sponge cake layered with cream and fresh fruit. So I got my 2 boys, recruited the 2 boys to help me here. Khalid, turn around, say hi, please. I guess that's all we're gonna get for now. Okay, I'm a little impatient, so I'm gonna put the eggs outside so that they can get to room temp. Because the house is a little cold because I had the air on earlier, so let's just put that here. quite nice out here today. Quite nice. Oh, these are budding, like I said before, and they haven't opened up yet. The blueberries looking good. Trying to warm up this water, this milk. Get it to room temperature.
Room temperature?
Yeah, slightly above room temperature, but you don't want to put it in the microwave either. I prefer to break them separately so that there's making sure there's no shell. Say hi, Mariam. The 18-year-old. She's gonna get cute later. Did you grow? You didn't grow? Your hair looks cute. Did you sleep well, Princess Mariam?
Not really.
Why you didn't sleep well?
I don't know.
And your bed was all set up nice. Ooh, nice. Oh, be careful, be careful. It's interesting, that one got a crack in it. Go ahead. So these are coated with cornstarch. You can also use rice flour. I prefer that to wheat flour because this is lighter. And it gives a more crispy flavor. So Khalid, I don't think the oil is hot enough. Alrighty now. We got the son frying some chicken wings. Teaching him. So now we were gonna make whipping cream over here, but it wasn't working out because this is not whipping cream, this is half and half. So instead I'm gonna do a buttercream. So that's what we're doing right here. Cakes have been cooling. Here's our fruit, the cake. Looks good by itself, but we're going to put the extra layer of cake on top of this. So this top tier is smaller than the bottom tier, but that's okay. And then we're going to do the same thing on top. Alrighty. Ideally, the cake's tier should have been the same size, but again, I couldn't find my cake tins. So we used what we had. I don't know how this is looking. We're doing our best here. All right, let's do something with this hair.
Just this, this needs to just be combed back with gel. That's it.
Okay, really?
Yes.
So you want to leave it loose?
Yes.
Okay. We got balloons. Yes, you get to sit there. You get to sit there. We cooked what you wanted. Let's see, oh, that's for the cake. This one's for the mac and cheese, and that one's for wings. So it's fine. Mariam's listening to 17.
Just live here.
Alrighty, so should we say grace? Should we say prayers? Grace first?
Yes.
Alright.
Then read the prayer.
Uncle Bashir seems to think you're like Jesus.
See, then you should apply for the position of Jesus. That's what it is.
Because you're such a gentle soul. Such a good kid.
Dream can read the grace.
Should we record the grace or no?
No. So Mariam, your brother's here, helped make some chicken wings. Ooh, Khalid, that looks good. That looks good. It came out pretty nice. And we have the mac and cheese here. It's nice and hot. And we have a salad here. And we have some plantain. Try one ketchup.
Yeah.
Some wings. Actually, you know what? We're not trying to be too formal, so if you want to use your hands, feel free. That's good. Rat salad. Blue cheese you like, right? Ranch?
Ginger beer?
Yeah, Khalid, I'm really impressed how your wings came out pretty good. And we have the sauce on it, and then we put it in the oven to bake after it was fried. All right, let's try Khalid's wings for the first time. Pretty good, Khalid. They taste like I made them. I like the ginger and the sweetness. And it's not too much pepper. It's really good. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mariam. Happy birthday to you. Yay! How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you! Yay! All right, you got a wish?
There you go. Spitting all over all your tits.
That's funny. It came back. What do you think, Boo Boo? It's pretty?
Nice, good.
Okay, we get to eat some cake.
Nice pudding. What?
It's not pudding.
It's not pudding?
It's not pudding. What it is the icing kind of just, you know, did its thing. Was in the fridge for, well, over an hour. It's not bad. It's not bad. Look at that. You can see the fruit underneath. Right? Okay.
Thank you. I don't like to be filmed on camera when there's money at food.
What? Nana wants to see. Read out the card. Let me hear. Read it out.
You said
My dear Miriam, wishing you a wonderful 18th birthday and wishing you many, many more birthdays.
Is that your impression of Nana?
I know it's terrible, but yes. With much love, Nana. Spend this wisely. So not drugs, you know, right? Yes. I've mailed you a pair of grown-up gold earrings also.
Okay, that's sweet.
As soon as this. believe. Oh shoot.
Okay.
Pretty.
Pretty earrings.
I won't lose them. She seems to think I'll lose everything. That's okay.
But no, you haven't lost. You never lost the last earring. She had the last earrings for almost 5 years, 5-6 years, right?
This is from Khalid, my eldest brother. The one who tried to kill me many times throughout these years.
He's trying to kill you. What is it?
Hell no.
What? That's not a response. What is it? Let me see.
K-pop.
K-pop stuff. But isn't that what you like?
Now you're gonna notice
Well,
he's coming to town.
Khalid listens to the Korean K-pop group, so his history will be very vaguely the same. Mine's not like.
Yeah, but they're girls. Right?
Let me see what it is. So tell me what's what.
I don't know what's what.
Yeah, tell me what's what.
I don't know what's what.
Yes, you do.
Pop socket.
Okay. Is that a guy or a girl?
Guy.
That's a guy? That's some fairy looking
They
guys.
got some great female singers.
Is this tape?
Well, I think, Khalid, that is a thoughtful gift. You know your sister, what she likes, because I certainly wouldn't have got her that. But
Is there perfume in there?
actually, I need to get her some perfume. She likes perfume. She would like perfume.
I appreciate it.
Oh, those
bro.
are the phone.
Pop sockets. What is this?
Let me see.
Put some on your laptop.
Interesting.
Oh.
Oh, this is the band we were talking about, 17. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is definitely
17 female singers.
not my thing. She appreciates our effort.
Daddy getting up early, so you know he has an attitude right now. Yep. You know, I haven't killed you guys yet.
And you
It's all good.
and Khalid for helping too.
Is that you're smiling, and that warms my heart.
So pretty.
Like my earrings.
Pretty.
Nana has good taste.
She does have good taste.
So there you go, Nana. She's wearing them. I think she still looks 14, don't you think? Not 18. So tell us about your film company.
Oh no, we're not ready for that. I didn't prep a statement.
No, that's fine. But all right, so just summarize.
So on Instagram, it's called Time Productions. It's also on my Instagram story for today. Probably may post about it in the next week or so. But go follow it, because I'll be posting short films. Yeah.
Awesome. Awesome. So tell us the name of your Instagram again. Just spell it out.
Oh, my personal or the...
No, your production company, you said?
Time Productions, Time Productions.
Please follow Mariam. Go ahead and support my girl.
Thanks.
Proud of you. So Mariam thinks she looks like an old lady, but we have to jazz you up a bit, okay? You have to jazz you up. Stop. No, you have to jazz you up. Yeah, right now you are looking like Amish wife. Should have had 10 kids by now. An old husband somewhere.
Please do. Also, we have one more hairstyle coming up, so please...